Today we are going to study transitional devices.
Sources are English textbook for class first year, pages 22-23 of textbook. Objectives are students will be able to identify transition words, choose the most appropriate transitions to fill in the blanks in the sentences. What are transition words? Transition means change. And you can also say that a movement, development, or evaluation from one form, stage, or style to another, that is called transition. Transitions are words and phrases that provide a connection between ideas, sentences, and paragraphs. Transitions help to make a piece of writing flow better. They can turn disconnected pieces of ideas into a unified whole, into one whole, and prevent a reader from getting lost in the storyline. When you use them, you make it easier for your readers to understand how your thoughts and ideas are connected. In simple terms, a transition word demonstrates the relationship between two portions of the text or spoken language. By using the imagery of a bridge, we can see how these words take us from one statement to another like the bridges. By using these words, we can better build a sentence and convey what we are trying to say in a more concise manner. Transitional devices are like bridges between parts of your paper. They are cues that help the reader to interpret ideas a paper develops. Cues means a signal or a hint. Transitional devices are words or phrases that help carry a thought from one sentence to another, from one idea to another, or from one paragraph to another. And finally, transitional devices link sentences and paragraphs together smoothly so that there are no abrupt jumps or breaks between ideas. I can use transitions words to glue or connect my ideas together. It means that they are just like glue in order to connect my ideas together. Transitions to add information, for example, again, another, and also finally. Transitions to show order, first of all, next, then, last, finally. Transitions that contrast, on the other hand, likewise, but, yet, although. Transitions to compare in the same way, likewise, similarly, as, like, also. Transitions for opinions, because, therefore, for example, since, also, and. Transition words. I can use transition words to glue or connect my ideas together. Got it? There are several types of transitional devices, and each category leads reader to make certain connections or assumptions. Some lead readers forward and imply. Imply means to express indirectly the building of an idea or thought, while others make readers compare ideas or draw conclusions from the preceding thoughts. 6 transition tricks for a smooth reading experience. Make the flow of your words as smooth as a brand new bicycle chain. Creating a smooth reading experience is like maintaining a bicycle chain. When your chain gets muddy, it starts to squeak and rattle. Pedaling becomes harder and perhaps the chain might even drop. For a smooth riding experience, you first remove the dirt from your chain and then you apply lube to reduce friction and prevent rust. When editing your content, you do exactly the same. First, you remove the dirt from your content, Then you eliminate wordiness and replace weak phrases. This is also first is also a transition. And then you apply writer's view. The transitional tricks for a smooth reading experience. Do you want to learn the 6 types of writer's view to reduce friction and keep readers engaged? Just like drops of oil make your bicycle chain move without friction, transition words make readers glide. Glide means to move smoothly, continuously, and effortlessly through your content. Transitional words make the reading experience smoother because they explain the relation between two sentences. Examples of transitional words are and, or, in contrast, for instance, but, however, because so. You can use transitional words at the beginning of a sentence to explain the relation with a previous sentence or to connect two parts of one sentence. Here are few examples. Transition trick number one, drops of light oil. You have ideas to share, but nobody listens. You are asking for a sale, but you are ignored. You want to inspire people, but everybody continues doing their own thing. Sometimes you want to shout, hey, you listen. How often you use transitional words and whether you use them at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence depends on the rhythm. Transition trick number two, changing gears. Just like in cycling, in writing you often move up or down a gear. For instance, in your introductory paragraph, you have empathized with your reader. But what is meant by empathize? Empathize means the action of understanding. You have explained that you understand his problem and you have promised to help him solve it. Now you want to shift up a gear to share your tips. To indicate the start of the section with tips, use a short and engaging questions. Ready to get started? Sound good. Shall we begin? Addressing your readers with short questions makes your content conversational and engaging, and you encourage your reader to read on. Transition trick number three, the dog fang. What is meant by the dog fang? This dog fang is a very simple, very effective device that prevents that from happening. It closes up the open space between the C tube and the inner chain ring, forcing the chain to land on the smaller chain ring rather than on top of the bottom bracket shell. Let me explain. A few years ago, I bought a new bicycle, but each time I cycled uphill and changed gears, the chain fell off. Can you picture me at the roadside, bike against a hedge, hands flat from muck and grease? To sort out this chain frustration, I now have a rubber dog fang. The dog fang prevents the chain from falling off. Your reader requires a similar dog fang to prevent him from losing track and clicking away. Keep your reader on track with short phrases like, let me explain why, and now comes the best part. Not only that, but is more, even more importantly, legendary copywriter Joe Sugarman calls these transitional phrases seeds of curiosity. These phrases are especially effective at the end of a paragraph to encourage readers to start the next paragraph. The secret to moving from topic to topic without losing your readers or listeners are word connectors. Word connectors are words that are repeated in subsequent sentences. Yes, you see what I just did. You see what I just did. I repeated the phrase word connectors to connect the two sentences together. This trick can be used anywhere in your writing but is particularly useful for metaphors. Here is an example from an article comparing cooking skills and writing skills. A chef needs to learn chopping, sauteing, roasting, and grilling. She needs to understand what makes a meal nutritious and how to select dishes that taste well together. She needs to practice separating eggs, making roti, and cutting a perfect carrot flower. Cooking mini skills are pretty clear, but writing mini skills seems fuzzier. Fuzzier means difficult to perceive, which is not easy to understand. Note how the repetition of the word mini skills helps transition the reader from cooking to writing. Here is another example from an article about eliminating weak phrases to spice up bland content. A Coke quenches your thirst and appears to give energy, but its nutritional value is low. A fruit smoothie sounds healthy, but may have a ton of added sweeteners. Words with low nutritional value are similar. They seem to have a meaning, but their meaning is weak. Repeating a variation of the phrase low nutritional value helps readers move to the next topic. Transition trick number 5, pronouns. Pronouns, words like they, it, he, her play a similar role as word connectors. But you have to be careful what or whom the pronoun refers to. In the example below, the reader does not know whose ice cream I am referring to. The kid was angry with her mother because of her ice cream. Try instead, the kid was angry because she had only one scoop of ice cream and her mother took three scoops. Ambiguity confuses readers and makes them stop to consider your message. And as soon as readers stop, they consider clicking away too. Take away ambiguity and readers glide through your text effortlessly. Transition trick number 6, industrial strength lubricant. Bicyclists can argue for hours about the best way to keep your bike chain free from rust. Use WD-40, use Triflow, use light oil, relube more often. But your content requires a mix of tricks for the smoothest reading experience. And you know the strongest lube to keep your readers hooked. What is meant by hook? Hook means devoted to or absorbed in something. That is the use of seductive subheads. Seductive means appealing, attractive. So your subheads should be very attractive or appealing. Make sure your subheads arouse curiosity or promise a benefit for reading on. And if you are explaining a series of tips or tricks, then number your subheads to provide a cue, a hint to readers where they are in your content. When your reader's mind starts to wander off, a seductive subhead entices him back. It encourages people to keep reading and helps them move to the next topic without friction. Thread your work together. You can see how transition words are the thread to the serious reader instead of having disjointed and clunky sentences. You can smooth out rough edges with cohesive transition words. And as with everything in life, moderation is key. Sprinkle these words only where it seems obvious that the sentences or paragraphs could benefit from a little cohesion. To tie this list up in a bow, remember one finally punctuation note. Transition words are usually followed by a comma. It demonstrates a brief pause between these words or phrases and the connecting idea. Why teach transition words? They provide coherence to a story. They can help writers bridge the gap between ideas. They provide a signal to the reader or listener about what is coming next in the writing. Example, some teachers find it useful to teach transition words by purpose, words used to help sequence ideas or transition between sentences or paragraphs, words that can be used to show time, those that help writers wrap up or summarize a story, and others. Words that add information also and another besides first, second, third, furthermore, in addition, moreover, then, to, also, similarly, and likewise. These are the transition words which add information, which are used to add information. The little girl put on her yellow shirt and brown overalls. Chris is on the basketball team this semester at Indian School for the Deaf. In addition, he is on the soccer team. In addition is telling you more about Chris. We will be here for one more week so we can finish up our work. Another reason we are staying longer is because we don't want to miss the Deaf Week conference. Another reason is telling you that why his stay is prolonged over there. First of all, pour a half cup of milk in the bowl. Second, add 2 eggs. And third, stir the mixture. First of all, second, and third. All these three words are transition words and they are adding more information about this whole procedure. Crystal likes camping in the mountains. Also, Crystal is an experienced hiker. Also is adding information about Crystal. Got it? Words that show conclusion. Words that show conclusion. Finally, in conclusion, to conclude, to sum up, in short, in essence, all things considered, in brief, and altogether. You are supposed to memorize all these words, words that show conclusion. The acting was superb and the lighting was excellent. All things considered, it made for an interesting play. All things considered. It's a transition word that show conclusion. There were a lot of problems discussed at the meeting. Finally, after a few hours, we were able to prioritize the problems in the order as we wanted to solve them. Finally is a word which is used to show conclusion and it's a transition word. Are you getting my words? Many parents and students have been complaining about the program. For example, scores on the end of grade tests have gone down from last year. Teachers are not very motivated and everyone is frustrated. To sum up, some improvements in the middle school program need to be made. To sum up is a word that shows conclusion. Got it? Words that repeat information. Words that repeat information. In fact, in other words, once again, to put it another way, to repeat. That area is very dangerous for you to bike in. To repeat, I want you not to go there. To repeat is a word, is a transition word that repeat information. Lisa decided not to go to King Islands. In fact, she told me no way. In fact is a transition word that repeats information. I feel that our last student council meeting did not go well. In other words, it was a fine mess. In other word, in other words, is a transition word, is a transition phrase that repeats information. Sally has lost an oar on her boat and she is in big trouble. To put it another way, Sally has to find a different method of rowing or she will sink. To put it another way, it's a transitional phrase. which repeat the same information which has been discussed in the earlier part of the sentence. Got it? Words that show comparison as in like manner, as if, like by comparison, likewise in comparison, similarly. Like her grandmother. Like is used to compare grandmother and Sally. Like her grandmother, Sally loves the football game. The reported that Montana would be very cold this week. I said likewise, Rochester will be too. Words that show comparison. Rhonda bought a new Saturn car, so in like manner the rest of her friends did the same thing. So in like manner is a transition word that show comparison. By comparison, Greensboro, NC is much smaller than Washington, D.C. is. By comparison is also a transition word that show comparison. The cat acts as if he is the boss of the house. As if is a transition phrase which is used to show comparison. The cat is as proud as a king. Words that show contrast or differences. Words that show contrast or differences, although, but, however, in contrast, in spite of, nevertheless, nonetheless, rather than, though, unlike, yet, in relation to, however, still, notwithstanding, rather, at the same time, or on the other hand. I am not able to go to the beach with you, nevertheless, thanks for asking me. The flowers have grown somewhat, still they haven't grown as much as they did last summer. Somewhat, nevertheless, these are transition words that show contrast or differences. Karen's cat, Salem, is so unlike Midnight. Midnight likes to nap a lot and Salem likes to play a lot. Words that show contrast or differences. He prefers to attend the play rather than attending the conference. Rather than. Though I eat green beans because they are healthy, I hate them. Though. Although Stephen was extremely tired, he washed the dishes. Although the play was great, nonetheless, I was sick of seeing it after the fourth time. Words that show a time relationship. Words that show a time relationship after, so much time, after that, at first, before, beginning, ending, eventually, earlier, even, whenever, since, following from, then, on, from, to, in time, last, later, meanwhile, near, far, next, now, over, soon, still, the next day, night, while. Stephen went to pick up uh, Lorraine before he stopped by McDonald for lunch. Before is a transition word that shows a time relationship. Karen was out with her friend last night. Last night. We need to wash our clothes. After that, we can go to the Taste of DC festival. Words that limit or prepare for an example. Words that limit or prepare for an example are for instance, in this case, namely including, for example, and such as. Note all birds eat berries. For example, vultures eat dead animals. Jeff is an interesting person to know. To illustrate, he knows a lot about the history of the deaf community in Ireland. There are things that need to be done to improve the company. For instance, we can begin by organizing the files. For instance, is a transition phase that limit or prepare for an example. I have a few things to take care of, such as paying bills, cleaning the house, and going to the post office. There are lots of things to do at the park, for instance, feeding the ducks or playing on the slide. Words that show cause. Words that show cause explain why, because of, caused by, therefore, as a result of, consequently, for this reason, accordingly, hence, so, that, and thus. Midnight was not able to move around well because his hind legs were in casts. He broke them when he fell off the bookshelf. Because is showing the cause of his broken legs. Because it is raining today. Because is showing the reason. The homecoming game and the food booths will be cancelled. I was late to work because of the heavy traffic. The dog had lost its leg, therefore it could not walk without assistance. Words that show effect and result. Words that show effect and result as a result, consequently, for this, that reason, that is why, therefore, thus. It is raining today, thus we are not going to the beach. This is the reason. The weather is supposed to be drizzly and chilly today. As a result, the Deaf Festival will be cancelled. I was too tired, therefore I decided not to go to the state fair last night. Ricky worked all day from 8 a.m. until 11 p.m. That is why he stayed home instead of going camping with us. The school bus broke down last week and has not been repaired yet. So for that reason our trip is cancelled. I cannot attend the party tonight as a result of being so tired from having worked late all weeks. Words that assert obvious truth or grant opposition. What is meant by opposition? Resistance, conflict, difference, or clash. Words that assert obvious truth or grant opposition, certainly, conceding that, granted that, in fact, naturally, no doubt, of course, undoubtedly, without a doubt, at least, or at any rate. A good example of a sentence containing this type of transition would be: she comes to work late every day, but at least she is good at her job. There is no doubt that the dog buried the bone in the garden. Jeff told us an undoubtedly true story that was very scary. The judge, without a doubt, thinks capital punishment is wrong. Of course, Sarah is going to the beach this weekend with her parents. She needs a break from Gallaudet. Naturally, Stephen is not going to agree with the plan. In fact, he thinks that the idea of setting up a business selling scarves on K Street would surely fail. Naturally, of course, without a doubt, undoubtedly, no doubt, at least, all these are transitions. Emphasis transition word. An emphasis transition word is used to support a piece of information which has just been given. They can also be used to emphasize an idea. Let's look at some examples of emphasis transition words. Emphasis means to put stress. Indeed, above all, certainly, of course, obviously, in fact, in short, and clearly. You might see one of these types of transition words used in a sentence such as: you can travel to Australia and, of course, can visit Tasmania whilst you are there. An order transition word. An order transition word can be used to show a change in the order or timing of consecutive ideas and phrases. Here are a few examples of these types of transition words. Equally important, again, finally, moreover, besides, and secondly. You might see an order transition word being used in a sentence such as: I will go to the shop, then to the park, and finally, I will visit my grandparents' home. Then and finally, they are showing the order of the sentence. Purpose of transition words. It's important to make sure transitional words fall naturally into your composition. Naturally is also a transition word. Review the sentences below to see How the transition words make the writing flow better. Take a look at these sentences without and then with transition words. Note the difference the transitions make. This will help you see how they can tie our thoughts together more cohesively. Carla could not sleep the night before her big presentation. She needed an extra large cup of coffee before work. In this sentence, we didn't use a transition word. Carla could not sleep the night before her big presentation, therefore she needed an extra large cup of coffee before work. Now, therefore is a transition word. Jeffrey, we will be ready to leave for the trip in 20 minutes. Fill up the car with gas, please. It's a sentence without transition. Jeffrey, we will be ready to leave for the trip in 20 minutes. In the meantime, fill up the car with gas, please. In the meantime is a transition which is connecting the two parts of a sentence. The trip through the desert was long and tiring for the crew. They all agreed it was worth it. The trip through the desert was long and tiring for the crew. Afterward, they all agreed it was worth it. Denise decided to stop doing her homework. She failed freshman English. Denise decided to stop doing her homework. Consequently, she failed freshman English. Last night, I had a vivid dream. I was living in Paris. I went online and booked a trip. Last night, I had a vivid dream. I was living in Paris. As a result, I went online and booked a trip. As a result is a transition word. With the use of transition words, sentences become more comprehensive. Punctuation rules, coordinating conjunctions and but, or, yet, so. Put a comma before these conjunctions. Don't use them at the beginning of a sentence in more formal writing. Example, the movie has already started, but my friend has not arrived yet. Correlative conjunctions, these have two parts, either or. Put a comma before the second part if it connects two clauses, complete sentences. Example, Eric is not an outstanding teacher, comma, it's a complete sentence, but he is also a gourmet cook. It is also a complete sentence. Transitional words and phrases. Put a comma after these if they are at the beginning of a sentence. Example is I like to travel specifically, comma, I enjoy places with old cathedrals. Cathedral is a church. Use a semicolon to connect the two sentences. Example is I like to travel semicolon specifically, comma, I enjoy places with old cathedrals. Use a comma before and after the transitional word or phrases in the middle of a clause. Example, I like to travel, comma, and, comma, specifically, comma, I enjoy places with old cathedrals. Church. Transitional words for narrative writing. Words for the beginning, at first, on, during. It all started one day on. Add your own words for the middle, the following day, when, an hour later, afterward, after that, 1 hour later, then, moments later, sometime later, later on, hours went by. Words for the end, finally, that night, not long after that, therefore, when all was said and done, as a result, before dark, looking back, needless to say. Sequencing, putting the event in a story in the order in which they happened. First, next, then, lastly, finally, later, eventually, at last. Meanwhile, In the meantime, meanwhile, in the end, suddenly, before long, all of a sudden, the next day, afterwards, as soon as over time, I repeated the transition words in English. Which words are used for emphasis, which words are used for addition, which words are used for contrast, and which words are used for order. I already discussed all these lists in my previous slides. Thank you so much for your patience hearing. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.